How to change currency in the Zara app. This is super useful if you are traveling, shopping internationally, or the app is showing the wrong currency. So let's get started. First, open the Zara app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now, tap to the menu icon, usually the 3-line or profile icon. Then tap on setting or location depending on your version of the app. To change the currency, you will need to change the country or region of your account. Tap on country or region. Choose your desired country from the list. The app will automatically adjust the currency and language based on your selection. For example, if you switch from the US to the UK, the currency will change from USD to GBP. After selecting the new country, the app may refresh or restart. And that's it. You have now updated your currency in the Zara app. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.